I am Ignacio. Today we're going to the WestFork San Gabriel River. Coming on the 210 freeway from Los Angeles, exit on Azusa Avenue, and then you will make a left turn. Right after you pass underneath the 210 freeway, on the corner of 1st and Azusa Avenue, there's gas station AM/PM Arco. I suggest you stop here and buy a pass. This pass you will need to park anywhere in Angeles National Forest. It is $5 for 1 day or $30 for 1 year. The name of the pass is called National Forest Adventure Pass. Continue driving on Azusa Avenue, which eventually will become Highway 39 for about 13 miles. Or also you can enter on Google Maps Azusa Canyon West parking lot, and it's gonna take you to where you can leave your car, and we're gonna start today's hike. Make sure to place your parking permit on your dashboard of your car, and then you're ready to explore. From the parking lot behind the restrooms, you will find the stairs. Take the stairs to the creek, and it should take you about 5 minutes to reach the water. This is the most popular spot because it's so close to the parking lot. Last July, I made a video. I went exploring in that direction for about half an hour, and I found some really cool rock pools. Click on the link if you'd like to see that video. Not much people around. It was 10 in the morning on a Thursday. Most kids are in school and people are at work, most of them. So if you want to visit with less people, do it on a weekday. Come here on a weekend and it's going to be a different story. This place is very popular, so it gets very, very crowded. This is just one of many rock pools that you can find on this river. Some of them are 3 or 4 feet deep, and then we found one that is about 7 or 8 feet deep. I'll show you that later. You're gonna love it. This place is very popular, and because it's so easy to get to, basically you park your car, walk 5 minutes, and you will be in the water. It brings a lot of people to this place, and because of that, sadly, many people leave a lot of trash behind. So if you decide to visit because you saw my video, do me a big favor. Bring a plastic bag with you. Take your trash with you. There are some dumpsters on the parking lot and along this road. And if the dumpsters are full, take the trash with you. Do not leave them on the floor because that will affect the bears, raccoons, and wildlife. How would you like to come to a beautiful place that is full of trash? You wouldn't, would you? So treat others the way you want to be treated. Bring a plastic bag with you if you visit and leave nothing behind. It's not so difficult. That way we can all enjoy it and have it clean for everyone else. I spent a lot of time cleaning this place. Later I will show you more. For now, I only have one question. You like coming to this place when it's clean? Can you do the same for me? Let's all work together and clean this place and leave it beautiful for everyone else. Let's continue to the exploring. Right next to the creek, there's a road that will take you for miles and miles, and it runs along this creek or this river. Today, we went just through the river, but you can walk on that road until next year. On the weekdays, they have some construction going on, and you're not allowed to be on it, except on the weekends. Today's hike is actually more like a nature walk. We explored the river for about half a mile and then returned. We went and found a rock pool, went in the water, got out of the water, and continued hiking or exploring. I hope that you're enjoying the video so far, and if this is your first time watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the little bell. That way you will not miss any of my adventures. Thank you so much for your support. This road is called WestFork National Scenic Byway. It runs for miles and miles right next to the river. I highly recommend that you hike it. You will find lots of rock pools during the summer. Just make sure you bring plenty of water and a filtration system so you don't run out of water. And in the springtime, it has lots and lots of waterfalls. I'll show you these clips. This is from last year. Many people don't know about this place. You will find endless waterfalls. Click on the link if you'd like to watch a video with all the details. Isn't this beautiful? I love this trail so much, especially in the springtime. You can actually come all the way to this campground and spend the night if you like backpacking. Pay attention to this clip. I always tell you that rivers keep on changing. Look, this is how it looked last year during the springtime. After this clip, I'm going to show you how it looks now, summertime of 2025. Remember I told you we're not supposed to be on this road? I only came up here to show you the reason. There's a construction and you don't want to be run over by these guys. When the road reopens, you can walk on the road for about half a mile. It should take you about 10 to 15 minutes to get here. Once you see this arrow on this rock, you know you made it. This is the rock pool I was talking about before. It is about 7 or 8 feet deep on the deepest part. I always recommend that you bring goggles. That way you can see underwater how deep it is and if there are big rocks. Don't hit your head. Please be careful. I don't know about you, but me, I love this place so much. I feel like a kid again. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this one is a rainbow trout. Let me know in the comments what you think. Now let's talk about the dirty elephant on the room, trash. The trash has been a huge problem in this place always, way before social media. People will find out about this place one way or another. If I don't post it, someone else will or did already. So if you have a channel or if you're an influencer, please make sure you tell all your followers to do not leave any trash behind, to keep this place clean, to take a plastic bag and take your trash with you and put it on our dumpsters. And if the dumpsters are full, take the trash with you. Don't leave it on the side, because then the raccoons, the bears, and all the wildlife will come looking for food, and will open those bags with trash and will be all over the place. There are only two solutions to this problem. One, if you visit, bring a plastic bag with you and take all the trash with you. Two, if you visit and if you can, please help clean up. That's it. There is no more solutions. Your political comments, your hateful comments, your racist comments, they're not going to help in any way, shape, or form. So please save them. It's not going to help at all. On my channel, on my videos, I will always share information in detail of places, how to get to them, when is the best time to visit, lakes, waterfalls, anything and everything. I want you to have a great time. I want you to go and visit and have great memories. All I ask, I'm actually beg you, do not leave any trash behind. Let's keep these places beautiful for everyone. Please help me out. Do not leave any trash behind. Thank you. On the description of the video, I'm going to leave lots of information, including how you can help my channel. You can help me by buying me a coffee, buying your backpacking or hiking gear, and many other ways. But honestly, the best way to help my channel is you watching my videos. So I'm going to leave a playlist at the end so you can click and watch those. Thank you so much for watching and your support. Until next time.